Hi there. My name is Mansi Yadav. I'm a subject matter expert with Cloud That. Today we're going to learn how to create report in just 7 minutes in Power BI tool. Yes, in just 7 minutes you can create report, and that report you can use to create dashboard as well. So today we are going to learn how to create profit and sales overview report in just 7 minutes without any coding and calculation. If you do not have
Now we are going to copy paste this page because this is sales overview page. Let's rename this sales overview, and we are going to copy this page so we can duplicate it instead spending time again to create our profit overview page. We can use this same page and we can copy paste. Now we just need to update, instead of sales, update profit. Next visual, sales by ship mode, profit by ship mode, sales by order priority, profit by order priority. And then next, for this also we're going to change this for all visuals. For this also, bubble size should be as per profit. Even for our line chart, profit. So now we just need to rename our page profit overview. And if we want to check if this is working, these slicers are working, if we can slice and dice based on our slicer, you can see it's working dynamically. Everything is updating within just one click or one selection. Now let's go back to our sales page, and here we would like to add one more visual, which is KPI visual, which will help us comparing target versus current sales. So let's update sales, and this is our target sale, and trend line would be date. Let's update even visual border for this visual as well, and rename title. This is sales versus target sales, and rest of the text we can delete. This page is also ready. Now we can check for any market, a particular market within date range. All visuals are updating based on our selection and based on our click. If we want to check, you can see phone category, subcategory is doing well. If you click here, entire page will be filtered out based on your selection and based on your click. And if you want to set a date range, that can be set from here. Same for profit overview as well. So within 7 minutes, we are able to create a report, profit and sales overview.
If you put in your heart, you can do this in 5 minutes too. Challenge your colleagues and let us know how it worked for you. See you soon with more hacks and tips.